We're here at our native tree nursery. We set this up in partnership with the community garden in Shediac. So we have this nursery here to plant seedlings of native trees that we let grow for a few years. Then we use these trees to reforest the buffer zones along the streams and rivers in the Shediac Bay watershed. We plant over 100 trees this year, and we can plant up to 500 trees. So this initiative helps us save a bit of money by letting the trees grow a bit, and it also helps their survival once we plant them in the wild. Nous sommes ici au ruisseau Cornwall, où nous venons de planter des arbres le long de la bande de Riveraines. Cet endroit a été dénudé lors de la construction du rond-point à l'entrée de Shediac. Nous avons planté des arbres cet automne et nous retournerons planter des arbres ce printemps.
A healthy buffer zone is important to protect water quality and fish habitat. As you can see, I'm standing in a section of the Cornwall Brook that has been unaffected by the construction of the highway. I'm standing in a lot more shade, which helps keep the water temperatures cooler. Colder water temperatures contain a lot more dissolved oxygen, which is very important for fish.